Hello, welcome back to my lesson. I'm Yang. Today we are going to talking about how to give compliments. I believe everyone enjoys receiving sincere compliments from others. In China, we have a saying, 良言一句三冬暖. 良言一句三冬暖. A kind word can warm 3 winters. It means that a single kind word can bring warmth for a long time. So, let's talk about how to give compliments correctly in Chinese. I will teach you commonly used words to compliment others on their appearance, personality, outfits, and capability. Let's get started. First, let's begin with how to compliment someone's appearance. For girl, you can use a words like 漂亮, 漂亮, beautiful, 好看, 好看, pretty, 优雅, 优雅, elegant. This word should be used generally towards women, like 你今天真好看, 你今天真好看, You are so pretty today. 这位芭蕾舞者很优雅，这位芭蕾舞者很优雅。This ballet dancer is really elegant. For boys, words like 帅气，帅气 handsome, 精神，精神 spirited and vigorous. 阳光，阳光 sunny. These words can be used in men. Example sentence: 他的哥哥长得真帅，真精神。他的哥哥长得真帅，真精神。His elder brother looks really handsome and spirited. 你的笑容如此阳光灿烂，和你在一起总是充满正能量。你的笑容如此阳光灿烂，和你在一起总是充满正能量。Your smile is so sunny, and being with you is always filled with positive energy. Here are some versatile words that can be used for both genders. 惊艳，惊艳 stunning. Describe that you see someone who instantly catches your eye. 耐看，耐看 means someone able to withstand careful appreciation that well worth a second look. 有气质，有气质 graceful, classy. 有魅力，有魅力 charismatic. 有福气，有福气 This word is all-purpose word, means to be blessed with good fortune. You can use in anyone's situation with this word. Other common phrases include 你看起来好棒，你看起来好棒 You look amazing. Wow, 你长得也太可爱了 Wow, 你长得也太可爱了 Wow, you are so incredibly adorable. Compared to complimenting appearance, normally people are much more flattered by a compliment about their personality. For example, words like 温柔，温柔 gentle. 他非常温柔，总是关心和体贴身边的人。他非常温柔，总是关心和体贴身边的人。She is very gentle, always caring and considerate towards others. 开朗，开朗 outgoing. 他很开朗，无论在什么场合都能带给人们欢乐和笑声。他很开朗，无论在什么场合都能带给人们欢乐和笑声。He is very outgoing, bringing joy and laughter to people in any situation. 独立，独立 independent. 他是一个很独立的人，能够独立解决问题和面对挑战。他是一个很独立的人，能够独立解决问题和面对挑战。He is independent, capable of solving problems and facing challenges on his own. 幽默，幽默 humorous， 他的幽默感令人捧腹大笑，总能为周围的人带来欢乐。他的幽默感令人捧腹大笑，总能为周围的人带来欢乐。His sense of humor is hilarious, always bring joy to those around him. 善解人意，善解人意。Easying means to be good at understanding others. 他总是能够理解别人的情感和需求，真是个善解人意的人。他总是能够理解别人的情感和需求，真是个善解人意的人。He always understands other people's emotions and needs. He is truly someone who is good at understanding others. Otherwise, we have 智慧 wise 有想法 thoughtful 有魄力 courageous 等等。
Now, let's take a 10 seconds break. If you're interested in Chinese private lesson to improve and practice your Chinese skills, I recommend you check out my website. You can easily book a one-to-one private lesson or join a group lesson without the need of registration. Additionally, we offer the option to schedule a trial lesson to meet your teacher. That is me.
When it comes to complimenting outfits, you can use words like 时尚 means fashionable or stylish. 你的穿搭总是那么时尚。Your fashion sense is always so stylish. 经典 classic. 你的穿搭风格真是经典。你有很出色的审美。你的穿搭风格真是经典，你有很出色的审美。Your fashion style is truly classic, and you have a great sense of aesthetics. 有品味 tasteful. 他的家装修得非常有品味。他的家装修得非常有品味。His home is decorated with great taste. 太绝了 This is a slang phrase in Chinese that can be translated as awesome or amazing. It's used to describe something or someone that is extraordinary. 您这眼光也太绝了吧 Your taste is absolutely exceptional. In a professional setting, you can compliment someone's work by saying they are 认真负责 diligent and responsible. 他对工作非常认真负责。He's very serious and responsible in his work. 效率高 efficient. 他的工作效率很高。He's highly efficient in his work. 有诚信 trustworthy. 他一直以来都表现出极高的诚信。He has always demonstrated a high level of honesty and trustworthiness. 说到做到 reliable. 他总是能够说到做到。He always follows through on his promises. 痛快 straightforward. 他解决问题的方式总是那么痛快。His way of solving problems is always so straightforward. Otherwise, generally express your pride by saying, 我十分为你骄傲。 我十分为你骄傲。I'm so proud of you. Okay, that's it for today. By learning how to give genuine compliments in Chinese, you can also make a positive impact on others. Remember to be sincere and thoughtful in your compliments. How do you usually praise others? Please write it in the comments. Stay tuned for more language learning tips, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time. 再见。